Welcome learners. In this video, we will continue exercise 7.2 of chapter 7, Lines and Angles, from Holy Faith International Publications, Absolute Mathematics for class 7th. For the further questions, there is a note. Arrows in the following diagrams indicate that the lines are parallel. So where there will be arrows in the line, they will indicate that these two lines are parallel. So question number 5 is, in the given figure, angle 1 is equal to 120 degrees. Calculate the degree measures of angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and give reasons. So we have been given angle 1 is equal to 120 degrees. You can see angle 1 and angle 3, they both are vertically opposite angles. Hence, angle 3 will be equal to 120 degrees. You can see I have given the reason. They are vertically opposite angles. Then angle 1 and angle 5, they are corresponding angles. Hence, angle 5 will be equal to 120 degrees. Here you can use angle 3 is equal to angle 5 as alternate interior angle also. That is also correct. Next, angle 1 and angle 8, they are alternate exterior angles. Hence, angle 8 will be equal to 120 degrees. Alternately, you can use angle 5 is equal to angle 8 as they both are vertically opposite angles. Next, to find angle 2, you can see angle 1 and angle 2, they both are forming a linear pair or a straight angle. That means the sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. So I have written it as angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting the value of angle 1 as 120 degrees, I will get angle 2 as 60 degrees. Now let us see which other angles are equal to angle 2. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Hence, angle 4 will be equal to 60 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6 as they both are corresponding angles. Hence, angle 6 will be equal to 60 degrees. Also, angle 2 and angle 7, they both are alternate exterior angles. Hence, angle 7 will be equal to 60 degrees. For question number 6, in the given figure, here you can see the two parallel lines are marked with the arrow sign. Find X, Y, Z, P, Q, and R. As you can see in the figure, an angle is given as 100 degrees. Let us see which other angles are equal to it. You can see X is equal to 100 degrees as they both are vertically opposite angles. So I can write X is equal to 100 degrees. Also, 100 degree and Y, they both are equal. They are corresponding angles. They are forming corresponding angles. Hence, Y is equal to 100 degrees. In order to find other angles like Z, Q, R, and P, let us see. You can see angle 100 and Z, they both are co-interior angles. They are on the same side of the transversal and in between the two parallel lines. So they will be supplementary. That means the sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. Alternately, दूसरा तरीका ये भी हो सकता है, आप एंगल P और 100 को लीनियर पेयर शो कर सकते हैं. दे आर बोथ आर फॉर्मिंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो यहाँ पर आपको एंगल P मिल जाएगा. फिर आप एंगल Q, एंगल R और एंगल Z फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, so since I have used angle Z and 100 as co-interior angles, the sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. Now you can see I will get Z as 80 degrees. So let us see what other angles are, which other angles are equal to Z. You can see angle Z and angle R are vertically opposite angles. So angle Z is equals to angle R, or angle R is equals to 80 degree. Also, angle Z and angle P are vertically opposite angles. So angle P will be equals to 180 degree. Angle P and angle Q are vertically opposite angles. Here angle Z and angle P are corresponding angles. They will be equal to 80 degree, and angle P and Q, they both are vertically opposite angles. They both will be equal. Hence angle Q will be equal to 80 degree. Question number 7. Find A, B, C and D in the figure given below. You can see I have a figure over here. Here you can see, since the name of line are not mentioned, to make it little bit easier, I have taken the names of the lines as line L, M, P and Q. Here you can see line L and line M are parallel. They are marked by arrows. So angle P and angle Q will alternately be acting as transversal. Let us see. Here in the figure, I have been given two angles, 130 degree and 150 degree. Here you can see I have taken a part of this diagram, line L, M and the transversal P. Line L, M and the transversal P. The angles made by this transversal and parallel lines are D, A and 130 degree. So this is a simplified diagram, a part of that. You can see angle A is equal to 130 degree. Reason? It is vertically opposite angles. Also, line L and M are parallel and P is the transversal. So you can see angle D is equal to 130 degree. They are on alternate sides of the transversal and in the interior side of the parallel line. So they are forming alternate interior angles. Angle D is equal to 130 degree. I got angle A and angle D. Now coming up to the main diagram again, in order to find angle B and C, I will take the transversal Q with parallel lines L and M. So this is a part of the given diagram. Line L and M are parallel, whereas Q is the transversal. You can see angle B is equal to 150 degree. They are vertically opposite angles. Now, angle C is equal to 150 degree. They are alternate interior angles. Question number 8. In the given figure, find X, Y, Z and W and give reasons. You can see these are the arrow signs. Again, I have named the parallel lines as L and M, the other two lines as P and Q. P and Q will be acting as a transversal since L and M are given parallel. So taking part of the diagram, the two parallel lines and the transversal P. The angles formed are X, 115 and W. You can see since line L and M are parallel and P is the transversal, X is equal to 115 degree. They both are vertically opposite angles. Also, 115 and W are alternate interior angles. So W is equal to 115. Now, in order to find Y and Z, let us take lines L and M with a transversal Q. So you can see in this diagram, line L and M are parallel, whereas Q is the transversal. So you can see in the diagram, Y is equal to 70 degree. They are vertically opposite angles. and Z is equals to 70 degree. They are alternate inferior angles. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.